Hello students, welcome to your values class. So today we'll continue with lesson number 8, managing hazards. We had done the reading, explanation and question answers of this chapter, and I had also sent you a video related to tips on how to protect yourself during an earthquake. Right? So we had done related to earthquake also, because Kutch is an earthquake prone zone. Now we will be discussing other exercises. Exercises we have done. Now it's time for chat time. So we'll discuss this. So discuss with your friends and friends the reason for the following. A doctor wearing a surgical mask. Why does a doctor wear a surgical mask? Surgical mask means it's not the normal mask that we wear. These days everyone has to wear mask to protect themselves from coronavirus. So why does a doctor wear a surgical mask? It is because when they are performing an operation or when they are treating the patients, they are exposed to various kinds of infections. So to protect themselves from infection and so that they don't breathe in the germs don't get into their body through their nose and their mouth, that is why they have to wear a surgical mask. Second, a traffic policeman wearing a pollution mask. Now, what is the reason for this? A pollution mask protects the traffic policeman from the dirty and polluted air. It contains lot of harmful gases, and the traffic policeman is continuously standing in the middle of the road. So that is why he is exposed to lot of gases coming from all sorts of two-wheelers and four-wheelers. That is why he should wear a mask, a pollution mask. An engineer wearing a helmet while working at a construction site. A civil engineer wears a helmet. You must have seen they wear a yellow color helmet. This is because at a construction site there are a lot of construction materials like cement, blocks, bricks, these big iron rods. So something may fall on his head, and in order to protect himself, he wears a helmet. Then fourth, a welder. What is a welder? Welder is someone who joins iron objects, metal objects using fire. And lot of in a welding factory or a welding workshop, you see a lot of fire sparks when they are joining two metals. So that is why he wears a protective headgear to protect himself. The sparks may touch his eyes or his face or his head. So that is why he wears a protective headgear and protective goggles also. Okay, this is clear. Second, discuss in the class how air pollution and water pollution can be a hazard to our health. What measures can we take to protect ourselves from them? So this you have to do it yourself. ये आपको खुद सोचना होगा कि ये आप कैसे करोगे. Air pollution, you have to think of various things, reasons because of which air pollution and water pollution can be harmful to us. Okay. Now we will be doing the reading time. This also you have to do it yourself. Plastic bags. Plastic bags are a threat to nature and environment. So how they are hazardous, that you have to think of various ways. How plastic bags are harmful, you have to think of various ways or reasons about it. We'll come to the think tank now. Imagine, question number 1. Imagine that you hear an announcement on the radio that there is a possibility of heavy rainfall in your region. Think of at least 2 things you will do to be safe in such a. Suppose it is going to be a very heavy rainfall in your region. What are the 2 preparations? क्या तैयारी आप करोगे कि आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में सेफ रहो? मैं आपको एक पॉइंट देती हूँ, दूसरा आप खुद सोचोगे कि in rainy season, if it is heavy rainfall, there are chances that you may have a power cut. you may have a power cut. So what is the preparations that you will do? You may have emergency lights which work on batteries. You may charge your phones. Okay, you have to charge your phones in advance and do the preparations which can prepare you for working without power and without light in the house. Other things, you may if there is heavy rainfall and if your house is on a ground floor, then you can put your valuables to a safe place at a proper height, like on a first floor or a second floor, so that if there is flood water inside your house, you can protect yourself. Okay, so you have to think of more such ways. Now next, second question, which of the following things do you think are hazardous? Rate them. Rate them yani on a scale of 1 to 10, on a scale of 1 to 10 you have to rate them. Okay, rating means आप उसको scale पे अगर आप 1 से लेके 10 तक अगर आपने उसको 8 दिया है, that means वो बहुत dangerous है, और 2 दिया तो वो तो उतना dangerous नहीं है. Okay, तो आप अपना रेटिंग दोगे. I will not tell this rating. I will just explain what it is. First, a flower pot on the balcony of on the second floor of a building. अब ये टिक है मतलब it is dangerous. ओके, अगर बालकनी पे सेकेंड फ्लोर पे किसी के फ्लावर पॉट रखा है तो वो नीचे गिर सकता है. तो कितना डेंजरस है ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10 आपको बताना है. बी, अ वेट फ्लोर विथ अ बोर्ड इंडिकेटिंग वेट फ्लोर. कहीं कहीं पे शॉपिंग मॉल्स में, होटल्स में जहाँ पे पोछा लगा रहे होते हैं तो एक येलो कलर का एक टेंट जैसा लगा लेते हैं. टेंट मतलब एक स्टैंड जैसा, जिस पे लिखा होता है कॉशन वेट फ्लोर, यानी कि वो बता रहे हैं कि आगे जो है पोछा लग रहा है इसलिए ज़मीन गीली है. तो वो तो बिल्कुल भी hazardous नहीं है, तो ये हमने क्रॉस कर दिया. नंबर सी, अ ड्रेनेज होल विथ अ ओपन लिड. सपोज देयर इज अ गटर होल विथ अ लिड ओपन, वो ओपन है, तो इज इट डेंजरस और नॉट? येस, इट इज डेंजरस. हाउ मच डेंजरस इट इज, दैट यू विल बी अंडरलाइनिंग, और दैट यू विल बी डूइंग इट ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 10. नंबर डी, an electric pole near your locality with a danger sign on it. If there is an electric pole, how hazardous it is, that again you have to rate on a scale of 1 to 10. A factory releasing smoke from its chimney. Yes, it creates pollution. So that is also hazardous. कितना hazardous है वो अपने आप लेवल पे, आप अपने लेवल पे डिसाइड करोगे. Okay, so all these A, B, C, D, E, out of this only B is not hazardous, everything else is hazardous, so you have to rate it. Okay, then activity time. Go around your school along with your teacher and find out whether there are any hazards to safe movement of students inside the school. Now since you are not coming to school, तो यही एक्टिविटी आपको अपने नेबरहुड या पड़ोस में, अपने लोकेलिटी में करनी है. यू हैव टू वॉक, यू हैव टू गो अराउंड एंड सी कि आपके पड़ोस में या नेबरहुड में क्या क्या हैज़ार्डस प्लेस है. इफ़ देर इज़ सम इलेक्ट्रिक पोल with danger sign written on it, and if it is not covered, if it is very close to some house, then how it is dangerous, or some other gutter is open. So all these things you have to write over here. These 4 points you have to write. Okay, and in this is the last life skills we won't be doing now. Okay, so this finishes lesson number 8, hazards. Okay, everyone has to do this. सबको ये करना होगा. आपके घर के आसपास कोई भी हैज़ार्डस प्लेस है या ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो जिससे आपको किसी तरह का एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है, तो वो आपको लिखना होगा. भले एक ही हो, ज़रूरी नहीं कि 4 होंगे. इफ़ देर इज़ 1 such hazard, you have to write it. Okay, children, thank you.